Greetings all, it is I, Rami. What does the title of these messages mean? It means that Christ now lives in the material world. Christ goes by many names and lives in many different places, but it is now a stable entity. It isn't emerging. It isn't wobbly and unsure of its footing. It is a solid presence. This is the purpose of these writings, to make it a more widespread phenomenon. Let's face it, most people don't know what Christ is. They think it was a very special man, namely Jesus or Buddha, someone who was enlightened and very close to God, someone who had powers normal humans didn't. All of you have tossed this definition on its head. You are each a regular person who is divinely guided all or at least most of the time. This is what Christ is. This is the true definition. You are not followers of anyone or anything because you are each God in mankind or womankind. It's not like you have a place you can go where the operators know how to support Christ. Churches will tell you how to follow Christ, be good and repent if you aren't. Stores will sell you endless books about spirituality, but you've probably read them all. There really isn't anything in them that you don't already know. Therefore, Jesus started a journey into the unknown. We needed something to fill the void, something to support Christ's manifestation. And now I'm taking over where Jesus left off. A rival, living in the material world, will support Christ as it continues to do the inevitable, which is to grow. Rome wasn't built in one day. But guess what? It did become Rome eventually. With a magnificent love, Rami.